Hello. Through this question, I'm sharing what is done in the research. There are two words: experience and experiment. Experiment develops boost experience. What is the process of experiment? Trial and error. Trial and error are the two marks of experiment. One tries, error is committed, and error is rectified. Again, one tries. This is called trial and error methodology. Through this trial and error methodology, one develops his experience. So Edison committed 1000 mistakes, but all those mistakes were new in their nature. No mistake was repeated. Repetition of the mistake is not a mistake, it is a blunder. It is a serious mistake. So in the experiment, earlier failures are taken into consideration. Then a scientist get ahead, taking into consideration the earlier errors he committed. He keeps getting ahead. Okay, keeping in his mind the errors he committed so that he cannot repeat them again. Now, through this trial and error method, he makes experiment, and the experiments he makes boost his experiences. So he can make the vaccine, he can make the medicine for coronavirus. They were making experiment, right? They might be trying on this medicine or that medicine, on this thing of the nature or that thing of the nature. So they could be successful in making the vaccine of coronavirus as well as the medicine of coronavirus after experiment. They might have applied them on various patients. When they might have found positive results were found, then they could declare that they have developed the medicine, they have developed the vaccine. So the scientists are very important. So by the doctor is concerned, he does whatever written in the medical books, so whatever he studies, he is not making his. If a doctor makes experiment, he's also the scientist. So in the case of Dr. Sadao, he was not only a doctor, he was a scientist also, because he was making a discovery how to heal up the wound or injury at the earliest quickly. Because in the army, when the army are at war, then soldiers are injured. They have injuries. Their part of body hurt, injured, and how to heal up the wound at the earliest. It is the discovery. So this discovery is of scientific nature. And by the way, can you differentiate between two words, discovery and invention? Hello, everybody. This is my second question. What is the difference
Sir,
between, yes?
sir, discovery means the thing that is present already on this earth, and someone can discover the thing. मतलब सर जो चीज पहले से इस अर्थ पर है उसे डिस्कवर करना. और सर इन्वेंशन means the thing which is something new that is not present previously on this earth, and find something new to do something easy.
Very good, dear. I like your differentiation between invention and discovery. So, what is the role with respect to these things, invention and discovery, with respect to these two things? What is the role of a scientist? For a scientist, which of them is helpful and in what way? Discovery or invention? Yes.
Sir, discovery is helpful to invent something new.
Yes.
These are related together.
Yes.
Sir, when a scientist discovers something new, uh, then this discovery is useful to invent something new.
Can idea be discovered? Can theory be discovered? Main thing is that, in my opinion, dear, I agree with you. In the sense that things are already in the nature, we have to discover them. And invention means we are inventing some new things. Agree. But without discovery, can invention be possible? Well, Newton discovered what? That the gravitational force discovered. It was discovered by Newton or invented by Newton is my second question. Gravitational force is there.
Sir, it was discovered by Newton
Yeah.
because gravity.
Yeah.
It was discovered by Newton because
Can it be?
gravity is present on this earth. That is the electrostatic force of the earth known as gravity.
And can it be called invention of Newton?
No, sir.
Then what is invention? Invention is also discovery. Every inventor discovers certain things already in the nature. What is the new thing? They had been thousands years ago, crores of years ago. They had been. They only discovered. And why? What is then? What is the role of invention?
So invention means, sir, the laptop which is used. This is an invention because the things which can operate in this laptop can already be discovered by someone previously.
Yes, yes, very good, very good. In the light of this, I narrate a story, very little story. Uh, Japan invented very micro thing, very micro thing that can be of any metal. And Japanese scientists wanted something innovative in various countries. It went to Russia. Russia gave a bolting system to this thing, some bolting system in the micro thing. Later on, it came to India. And Indian scientists did what? They wrote made in India. Made in India. It is a joke, no doubt. But this, the thing, very micro thing, it was invented by one country. Something change was brought by another country. But when it came to India, Indian scientists wrote made in India. That is the Indian scientists, okay, the joke regarding the made in India. Invention, very good, I agree with you. Now, in the case of Dr. Satao, he was the scientist. He was trying his best. He was applying the combination of various things so that the bond can be healed up at the quickest, at the earliest. Now, next question related to the story. What do you know about the wife and family of Dr. Satao? What do you know about the family of Dr. Satao? Anybody to answer? When the word family comes, it includes, there is a word MBBS. Nowadays it is in the fashion. MBBS. Mia, Bibi, Bachon, Sahit. MBBS in the family. And
So
in the case,
so
yes. Yes, dear.
So he has a father and a wife named Hana.
Yes. And his father died, my dear. Now he had his wife Hannah and 2 children. These were the close family members of Dr. Satao. And he had some servants also, maid servant also, looking after the children of Dr. Satao. These were the family members. How could he marry with Hannah? He could marry with Hannah. How? In what circumstances? Where he found Hannah? How he ready to marry with Hannah? What had been the forces stopping him from the marriage? Yes, do. Who can answer the question? Next question.
So he found Hannah at an American professor house. First of
Yes.
all, he checked that if Hannah is purely a Japanese or not, because
Yes.
his father won't allow him to marry a American girl. So first of all, he checked that if Hannah is a Japanese girl, then he proposes her.
Very good. And he got married. Very good. I agree with you. Now, there was a dilemma in the mind of the doctor. This dilemma is the essence of this whole lesson. What is the dilemma in the mind of the doctor? Dilemma means confusion. Dilemma means to do this or that when one finds himself okay, in the uncertainty to do this or to do that. One is between do this or that. Then what was the dilemma in the mind of the doctor? Satao. Who can? It's the essence of the chapter, dilemma. It's the soul of the story, dilemma. What was the dilemma? You can call it dilemma. Yes. Dilemma means duvidha. The real
Sir,
Hindi
the
meaning of
dilemma
yes.
is
Yes.
sir, the dilemma is that if he should help the American prisoner or hand him over to the police.
Yes, dear. I narrated the story, and in the story, I compared the dilemma of Dr. Sadao with the dilemma of Susain Vaid in Ramayana. In what way comparison is justified? I made comparison between the dilemma of Dr. Sadao that he had. There was a war, you know, between Japan and America. Soldiers were fighting, and when American soldier was before Dr. Sadao, he had the dilemma whether to treat him, to give him proper treatment to save his life or not to save his life. Doctorly duty says he should save his life if he can, and his nationality says no, he's the enemy, and enemy should be treated like the enemy. The dilemma was there. Now I made the comparison between the dilemma of Dr. Sadao with Susain Vaid in Ramayana. What is the base of the comparison? Who can? Who can answer the question? Hello, Mayank and others, you listen to the question for the first time. I explained the dilemma with you, and you might have understood the dilemma of the doctor because he was a doctor and there was a war between two countries, Japan and America. It was the American soldier, it was the prisoner of war, and Dr. Sadao belonged to Japan. He was a true patriot, Deshbhakt, and whether to treat the enemy, not to treat the enemy, it was the dilemma. So I made the comparison with this dilemma with that of Susain Vaid in Ramcharitmanas. So in what way comparison is there? Who can answer? Anyone trying? Anyone trying, please? Not trying. You did not listen to the story.
Sir.
Anyone? Yes.
Sir, when Vibhishan took Hanuman to Susain Vaid, then Vaid told that he's an enemy, but
Yeah.
Vibhishan told him that your duty is to, you are a Vaid and your duty is to cure people, not to
Very
treat
good.
them like an enemy.
Very good. Very good.
Your first duty is to treat.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Susain, Vibhishan said to Susain Vaid. Susain Vaid had the same dilemma. Why should I treat Lakshman? He is from my enemy side. I belong to Lanka. I'm the nationalist. I'm the patriot of Lanka, and he is my enemy. Why should I treat him? Then Vibhishan said, you are a doctor. As a doctor, it is your duty and responsibility to see the enemy. Your disease is the enemy, not the person. That is the thing. The disease, your okay, the Lakshman is suffering from certain disease. This is your enemy, not Lakshman himself. And Ram said, I have handed over my brother to you. Do your national duty and kill my brother. Do your doctorly or bad duty, save the life of my brother. This was in this way the two persons, Ram and Vibhishan, okay, taught him a lesson. And what are the duties? That the humanity. I gave you the quotation. What is the quotation? Last of all, I would like to listen to the quotation from your side. Regarding the dilemma, I gave you the quotation. What is the quotation? Yes, dear. What is the quotation? Look, notice. Patriotism is a great virtue. Patriotism means to love a country, love for a country. Patriotism is a great virtue. Humanity is greater. because humanity knows no barrier of caste, color, and creed. It is beyond any barrier. So try to remain when you have the dilemma, obey your inner conscience. Your inner conscience will make no distinction between enemy and friend. So this is the essence of this. Now I'm taking the attendance here, and after attendance,